Okay, car's in park. There's positive, there's negative. I'll attach the jumper wire to the pin in the solenoid. Okay, so we know the starter is good. We know the battery is good. Customer was saying that also had alarm issues, alarm going off by itself. So just to rule out, let's just get rid of this thing first. To rule out a starter problem causing the no start, there's the alarm module up there. You want to reach up and disconnect the two connectors to the alarm. And then the one that has the two heavy wires, that's the starter circuit. I'm going to bridge these two with a jumper wire. Come on. Well, provided the ignition switch is good, it should crank. Doesn't crank. We're going to attach the test light to a ground with a key on. I'm going to make sure the test light lights up. We're just going to attach it to a fuse. Okay. Now remember, this is your cranking signal from the ignition switch here, or your starter circuit, crank circuit. I'm just going to crank it. This thing should light up. Cranking, it's not lighting up. Next step to do is to pull the plastic trim around the column and then check power out of the switch. Ignition switch is a bit buried here. Simplest thing to do is to pull a harness plug. Pull the harness plug forward. Now you can either bridge the two red wires, the two heavy ones, these guys right here, with a coat hanger, not a coat hanger, paper clip, or attach a known good ignition switch and then use a screwdriver to crank. Key on, and it's cranking. Engine just started, so it needs an ignition switch. If we disconnect the starter wire here, that's the one from the connector on the alarm module, nothing happens, no cranking. You can also plug it back into the module, the alarm module, and verify that it cranks with the alarm module attached. But at this point it needs an ignition switch.